Hey guys, what's up? It is Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a cat lady unboxing. Dusty's actually kind of strolling past me conveniently right now. Hi, Pumans. Maybe you can... Come here. Come say hi. Say hello. He's like, no. Get away. What are you doing? Anyways, if you are a crazy cat lady such as myself, this is the perfect box for you. I will leave the link for Cat Lady box down in the description below. Dusty's just gonna keep walking. Alright. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. If you like this video at the end, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And hit your post notifications. I try my very best to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I've been having a little bit of a difficulty uploading, but if you push the post notifications, it will give you an idea of when I upload. So this is the September box. I'm uploading it kind of late into September, but it's still September, so you know. There's at least that. It's not October and I am filming this and, you know. Alright, so this thing looks filled to the brim. It literally is like filled. This is the card for this month. I'm not going to look at what it is on the back. I just want to look at what... so this theme is Glitz and Glamour Per. And then, of course, in October is the annual Black Cat box, which I'm excited about because if you didn't know, I have my own little black kitty. She is my heart, she's my everything. She was an abused cat, so little black cats are, you know, they get a bad rep, which is so unfair. That's actually her galloping, if you can hear her galloping in the background. Alright, let us tear into this. I'm going to open this little box first. It's just this little tiny box. Looks like that. Maybe there's like a ring in there or something. What is it? Come on out, box. Oh, they're little earrings. Oh, they're cute little stud earrings. Let me put this down real quick. This might be hard to see on my camera, but I'm gonna try my best. If I can even get it out of the packaging, that would be great. Let's see here. One that must have come out of this little thing. Okay. Do you see that? Let me see if I can make this better. They're just like these little cat earrings. So they're like, if you see my ear, they're not that big. Those are cute. Those are super cute. Let me put this back in the bag. Actually, I'm gonna stick it right back in the box like this, because we'd be here another 20 minutes of me struggling to put that back. It's literally what would happen. I'm gonna put that right there so don't lose it. Alright, what is this? Oh my god, there's so many things in here. What is this? This is giant. Whatever this is giant. Push this aside. What is this thing? It's like a giant stuff with cat hair. Oh my god, is this a hamper? Yo, is this a hamper? This thing is giganto. I think this is a hamper. Do you see that? It's a stuff with cat hair. Dusty, don't eat the cellophane. It's not good. It's not your crunchies, buddy. Look at that. It's got like this big handle. This would be perfect for Don, actually, because he's always like, got my cat hair clothes. Men. This is awesome. This is pretty cool. of like stands up. It's a clothes hamper. Perfect. Oh, he's gonna like that. He's gonna like that a lot. All right, yes. Now let's pull out some cat toys here. Again, if you have seen my cat lady unboxings, I tell you this up and down. The cats have this giant like basket. It's like full of cat toys. They will specifically, not even kidding you, specifically pick out the cat lady toys. I can't even like, I'm not even joking with you. It's pretty crazy. So this one looks like Posh the Peacock. It's really pretty. I'm sure Dusty and Natalie will destroy the feathers in like no time. That's cool. And they're usually filled with catnip. Let's see, is this one filled with catnip? North American grown, oh yeah, catnip, yep. So that's pretty cool. These are called bling rings. Oh, these are gonna end up in the couch, under the couch. Perfect for swatting, flinging, and flying. Intended for cats, supervised use only. Cool. There's just these little like plastic things. I guess they can like, all right, fling around the house. Hey! Ooh. Yeah, you ding ding. Somebody needs their nails cut. This is my house. When people ask, they're like, "Oh, do you plan on having kids?" I was like, No. I have 2 cats. They're like enough. They're enough. All right, so this is the last thing in this bag, in this box. Not sure what this is yet. Maybe it's a scarf. Yeah. Yep. This is a really pretty scarf. Oh, look at that. Look at the details on that. That's really pretty. Alright. I always wear scarves like this. I like them like that. That's how I always wear my scarves. And we're getting into fall, so this is like, it's perfect. It's like super rainy and very dreary here today. So this is like perfect for this type of weather, and it's very soft and ooh, I like it. All right, this was a cool box. Let's check these cards so that we can make sure we got everything. So we have the cat hair laundry hamper. It's retailed at $19.99, which is cool. Super awesome. We'll definitely use it. It looks to be very, very good quality. I'm actually going to give this to Don so he can be like, oh, my stuff covered in cat hair. There you go. There you go. We have the shiny cat scarf. So this is retailed at $14.99. We have the earrings, which were in this little box that I put back there so I wouldn't lose it. Put it back there again. And that's retailed at $9.99. We have the cat bling rings, which will be interesting to see what the cats do with this. And then we have Posh the Peacock catnip toy. And that is it. That is everything in this box. Again, I will leave Cat Lady Box website down below so you can go check them out for yourself. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join this little family. Hit your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!